Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, the screen in my device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking. So let's change it. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display brightness. Then let's go and find the sleep option, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.